Hey guys, real quick before we get started, who here feels like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead? Like you're running on a treadmill, moving fast, but staying in the same place, you know? Yeah, that was me not too long ago. I was working full time, I was exhausted, I was coming home late, and honestly, I was wondering, is this all there is? You work, you pay bills, and you start over next month. I knew I needed something different, something that could actually give me a bit more freedom. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I found. In the next minutes, I'm going to walk you through the blueprint I'm using to make 500 to $1,000 a day from home. Even if you're overworked, burned out, and think you have zero time. If you stay until the end, I'm going to give you my personal $1,000 a day checklist, the same one, the same one I use every single morning to keep the money flowing. Sound good? Cool. So now let me tell you real quick how I got here. Okay, just a while ago, my life looked like this. I'd get up early, rush to work, come back late, barely see my family, and still feel like I was drowning in bills. I wasn't lazy, I was just stuck, okay? I wasn't looking for any kind of miracle. I just wanted a way out, okay? And what I found was a blueprint, a system that didn't require me to guess or to be a tax expert or to spend a ton of money. I needed something that just worked, okay? And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step. Now, once I figured this out, I realized there were just three simple shifts, like three secrets that changed everything for me. When I understood these three things, my whole life started to move in a different direction. These are the same three secrets that took me from overworked and stressed to making 500 to $1,000 a day from home. So if you're watching this right now, grab a pen and paper or open your notes app, because these three secrets can completely change the way you think about making money. Okay? So secret number one is, it's not about working harder, it's about following the right system. Secret number two is, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to copy what already works. And secret number three is, you can start even if you're broke or short on time. When you understand these three things, you'll finally see why the blueprint works and how it can completely change your situation no matter where you're starting from. Okay? So let's jump into secret number one. Now, here's the first secret I discovered. Most of us thought that if you want to make more money, you gotta work hard. But that's a complete lie, okay? Hard work alone doesn't create freedom. Systems do, okay? Every big company is based on systems, and systems, it's what creates freedom for the entrepreneurs, okay? I used to think if I just put in more hours, I'd finally get ahead. But the truth is, the harder I worked, the further behind I got. I was trading time for money, and time always runs out. Then I found this simple blueprint and everything clicked. It showed me exactly what to do step by step. So instead of guessing, I was finally executing a plan that actually produced results. That plan turned into my first $100 day, then $500 days, and before I knew it, $1,000 days became my new norm. Can you see now? It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with the right system. Alright, that's the first secret. And once I understood this, it completely changed the way I look at success. But here's the thing, I still had a huge fear holding me back. I thought, I'm not smart enough, I'm not experienced enough, I can't do this. And that fear is exactly what secret number 2 solves. I used to think making money was for experts, techies, influencers, or marketers. I thought, I don't know enough. I'm not that person. But the truth, you don't need to be an expert. You just have to copy what's already working. The blueprint I use is literally a plug and play system. It's already built, already tested, and you just follow it. I started with zero experience, no fancy tools, and no clue what I was doing. And within days, I made my first sale. The moment I stopped trying to figure it all out and just followed the system, everything changed. Can you see how anyone, even the busiest mom or dad, can do this? By the time I got this, I thought, okay, I can do this, but I still don't have enough time and I can't afford to fail. So that's exactly where Secret 3 comes in. When I first saw this, I thought, yeah, right, I can't afford that, I don't have the time. But what I found is the blueprint was designed exactly for people like us, people who don't have the time. It's not about working full time on it, it's about doing the right things in the little time you already have. You can do this at nights, on weekends, anytime you can crave out like 30 minutes. And the startup cost of this, it's almost nothing. I started with $100, that's it, and built something that replaced my full-time income. Can you see now how this removes every excuses that you may have and makes success actually possible? So now you've seen the system, how it works, how simple it is, and how it can fit your life right now. You've learned the 3 secrets that remove the biggest obstacles. Stop working harder and start following the right system. You don't need to be an expert, just copy what it works. And you can start even if you're broke or short in time. So you can try to figure this all out on your own. Or you can shortcut the entire process and use the exact same blueprint we have already built for you. Would it be okay if I spend a few minutes showing you how to get started with the same system I use every day? Cool. Let me show you exactly what you're going to get when you join today. I want you to see the full value because this is the same system that can take you from $0 to $500 to $1,000 per day. So here's everything included when you grab the blueprint today. You get the full $1,000 day blueprint, the exact system I follow daily to make $500 to $1,000, valued at $997. You get quick start training, how to make your first $100 online in days, not months, valued at $297. You get plug and play tools and templates, no need to build anything from scratch, just copy and paste, valued at $497. You get private community access, support, accountability, and real results from other people just like you, valued at $497. And as a bonus, you get my personal $1,000 a day checklist, step-by-step daily routine to stay consistent, valued at $97. That's a total real value of $2,385. Okay? But here's the best part. You do not have to pay anywhere near that today. You can get started with just $100 like I did. That's it. One time, no monthly fees, no upsells. Just the full blueprint to start your journey to $500 to $1,000 a day. Now, for those of you who want to move even faster and unlock extra strategies, there are higher tiers available, like $300, $600, or $900. Each level gives you additional tools, resources, and support to accelerate your results even more. But here's the key. No matter which level you start with, the blueprint works, okay? The only difference is how fast you hit your $500 to $1,000 a day results. And here's the special bonus for taking action today. The first 50 people who join will get my personal review of your setup. I'll check your progress and give feedback to make sure you get results faster. Plus, you still get my $1,000 a day checklist included for free. Remember, every day you wait is a day you could have been building your $500 to $1,000 results. So if you're ready, go check the link in my bio right now. Start your $500 to $1,000 day journey, and let's make sure you never have to worry about money again. So if you're still watching, it's because you feel it. You know you need a change. You've seen what's possible. You just haven't taken the step yet. You're getting everything. The $1,000 day blueprint, the quick start training, the plug and play tools, the private community, and the $1,000 checklist, all for just $100. Follow the steps, and if you get stuck, I will personally help you figure it out. That's how confident I am on this, okay? So if you're ready, go check the link in my bio, start your journey to $500 to $1,000 a day, and let's make sure that you never have to worry about money again. You deserve this, your family deserves this, so let's make it happen together.